Blender, how to import an image as a plane. First of all, I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to go to my defaults, and I'm going to load my factory settings. I'm going to delete my cube. I'm going to go up here to File and Import, and I do not have any option as image as plane. So I'll go up here to Edit, go to Preferences, go to Add-ons, type in Images as Planes. Check that box right there. Go to File, Import, Images as Planes. Now I need to pick my image. And right now, use my scroll wheel to zoom in. I do not have an image. I go up here and click on Viewport Shading, and there's my image. And by the way, that is a real weasel riding a flying woodpecker.